Hello, fellow creators. Welcome to Eassiy Official. Are you ready to explore the world of screen recording? If you are a vlogger, educator, or just enjoy sharing your screen, then you will be familiar with Xrecorder. About Xrecorder, we will reveal its secrets, shortcuts, and hidden tips, as well as cover installation, settings, and advanced tricks. First off, what exactly is Xrecorder? Let's break it down. Xrecorder is a dynamic screen recording app that allows you to capture high-quality videos of your screen's activities. It is available on both Android and iOS platforms. Whether it's gameplay or tutorials, with no time limits, no watermarks, and the ability to record internal audio, Xrecorder stands out as a top choice for Android users. How to use Xrecorder and its pros and cons. To record your Android device's screen, first, download and install Xrecorder from the Google Play Store. Open Xrecorder and grant permission to record the screen and access features like the microphone. To start recording, use the quick menu or the pull-down menu. Before starting, you can customize settings such as resolution, orientation, and audio source. While recording, you can pause and resume as needed. A floating icon or bar will appear to stop the recording when you're done. You can access your recorded videos from the app's main interface. Xrecorder has a built-in video editor for cropping, adjusting, adding music, text, or changing the video ratio. Once you're satisfied, you can share your recordings directly from the app. Xrecorder has a user-friendly interface and allows for long recordings without time restrictions. It supports game streaming on platforms like YouTube Livestream. However, the free version includes ads, while advanced editing features are available in the paid version. In-app purchases are required for removing watermarks or extending resolution options. If Xrecorder doesn't quite meet your needs, for those seeking an even more powerful recording experience, Eassiy Screen Recorder Ultimate is the perfect alternative. With over 10 recording tools, smart functions like scheduled recording, and advanced features like noise cancellation, Eassiy Screen Recorder Ultimate takes your recordings to the next level. In just 10 seconds, you can start recording anything on your screen with customized settings and high quality. Visit the official Eassiy website, download the installation package for your operating system, and install the software. Once installed, open Eassiy Screen Recorder Ultimate. You may be asked to register or start a free trial. Choose the recording mode that suits your needs, such as video recorder or game recorder. Customize the recording area, video quality, and audio settings. Click the Rec button to start recording. You can also schedule recordings to start at a later time or use the auto stop feature to end the recording automatically. Use the real-time annotation tools to draw, highlight, or add text during the recording session. After finishing the recording, you can edit the video using the built-in tools and then save or export the recording in your preferred format. With the knowledge you've gained, you're now ready to capture and create content like never before. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.